let's work on nseindia.com. nseindia.com is a stock exchange website which provides enormous data about various securities, especially the capital markets as a whole. In this particular program, we'll try to see how to understand Nifty, how to check various sector indices, how to see the top gainers, the top losers, and what we should infer from that particular information for that particular day. We'll also see the various corporate announcements that are being provided by various companies from time to time, and also the quotes of various equities and even derivatives of those particular equities. For this, first let's go to NSE India website. nseindia.com is a website here. In this NSE India website, we can see the main index which talks about the performance of the complete stock market in India at NSE. CNX Nifty, CRISIL, NSE Index Nifty. Nifty is National Stock Exchange 50 stocks group. The value of Nifty currently is indicated as 7864. So this is the value of the Nifty group. If Nifty value rises, it is an indication that the overall market is doing well. So it is a group of 50 companies. Now currently Nifty value is 7864, which is about 20 points lower than the previous closing day. In this particular situation, we have about 23 stocks of this 50 companies which have closed higher than yesterday closing, and we have declines 26 stocks which have closed lower than yesterday's closing, and there is one stock out of this 50 companies whose closing price is almost same as previous closing price. Now let's come to the Nifty gainers and losers. Let's take the complete view of Nifty group. Now from this group, which is the current data in which various stocks which are the top gainers for the day from the Nifty group is updated here regularly every 3 minutes by NSE. From the list below, we could see there are a lot of banking stocks which are showing top gainers, and there are various other stocks from various other sectors. So commonly the banking sector stocks are positive. This is an indication that the banking sector is currently showing good strength. Now various other indices, if I would like to see, we can go to another link in this particular website. We can go to index. We can see the various indices. When we come down here, we can see Bank Nifty talks about the banking sector, CNX Auto talks about the auto sector, commodities, consumption, index, dividend opportunities, energy, finance, FMCG, infra, IT, media, metals, multinational companies, pharma sectors, banking, realty, service, and various other indexes. If I want to know what sort of companies are listed in the Bank Nifty group, just click on this Bank Nifty. You will come to know the companies which are forming a group of banking sector. Now currently the Bank Nifty is increased by 74 rupees compared to previous closing, which is a rise of about 0.5% compared to previous closing. This is an indication that the overall banking group currently is doing well. Is reasonably, we can concentrate on the banking stocks for trading purpose. In this particular banking stocks, we can see about 9 are doing well compared to yesterday closing, and 3 are not doing well compared to previous closing. For understanding the various companies in other sectors, you can just click on that particular index. We'll come to know the various companies in this particular sector. Here currently the IT sector is not doing well. It is showing negative compared to previous closing, and all the IT companies which are doing is being given in this particular list. Here we can see advances are 3 and declines are 17, which indicates that most of the IT stocks are going down. This is negative for the current scenario. In the same manner, we can look at various sectors in this particular group. Now, coming to corporate announcements. Let's look at the corporate announcement. We can go to the home page. We can see the various corporate announcements are being updated in this particular place. We can check all the corporate announcements that are being done on a live basis in this particular site. In case we want to understand any corporate announcements for a particular specified company, we can just type here that particular company code, select the code and say go. You will get the complete details about that particular company. Here we can see all the data with respect to ONGC. All the information is given, even the financial results, the shareholding patterns, the board meetings and the announcements which are done in the recent past, and even about their corporate results and their activities of the company and what sort of indices they are listed. All that information we can see from this particular link. Now, how to get the codes of equities and derivatives? For this purpose, again we can go to the main page, nseindia.com website. In the home page, here on the equity section, if I want some information about a company, just click on that particular company's code. You can just select, you will get all the information about that particular company here. We can see the price, current price of Steel Authority of India and previous price, and what is the starting price for the day, what is the highest price for the day, for the lowest price for the day, and various company informations, the competitors information, the historical data about the company. Everything we can see in this particular space. Any company you want, you can just give the code of the company and select. You will get all the information with respect to that particular company here. Now, if you want the derivatives, that is the futures or options information about various securities. Let's say I want to talk about ITC futures. You can just click on the code and you will get the information about ITC futures. The stock futures above ITC expiring on 30th October, and the price currently is around 350 rupees. We can also find some historical data of that particular stock futures as well. Now, if I want to see the options, click on the option chain. Option chain will give you information about calls, about puts of ITC security expiring on 30th October. There are various strikes of this particular security given here, and the calls data of those strikes and puts data of those strikes is given on the right side. To get more information about a particular option, let's talk about 350 calls. Just click on this particular price. You can get more information about this particular security and this particular option in this particular feature. This is how we can see various option data and the futures data in the derivative segment of NSE India. Thank you.